Today we are going to discuss about the case study and adaptive nozzle. First, could you please explain about how the nozzle can be captured for a case study topic?
Yes, sir. So normally nozzles are used in additive manufacturing in 3D printers. So it is used to print the object or the sprint more precisely and accurately. The nozzle helps to control the extrusion flow rate. So what we are thinking is the nozzles which are currently in the industry. So these nozzles are uncontrolled. We are not able to accurately control the flow rate of the filament or the binder. So what we are thinking is, if we can include a adaptive nozzle in which we could control the shape of the nozzle and the size of the nozzle, so it will be better for the prints which we are doing. So we know all the prints are completed layer by layer, formed layer by layer. So if we could monitor and if we could control the print layer, how the process of the printing is done, so we could change the shape of the model while the model is in progress. So this will abruptly increase the print quality, and it will also decrease the oozing and the green material which is produced.
Okay, sir, these are the points which you have discussed previously about what we have detailedly discussed about adaptive nozzle. Compared to other apparatus in additive manufacturing, example for crystal person modeling or for ceramic printing, the factors are available. Why we have chosen only the nozzle compared to other parts?
Sir, I think if you are focusing throughout the printer, we won't be able to bring out any more new innovations. If you are focusing on a specific component or a specific component is used in the printing, we could spend more time in research and development, and we could bring out new ideas. So one of the ideas is bringing in iris based nozzle, so in which we could keep a driver which will control the opening and closing of the nozzle. So keeping a driver is supplying extra power to it and control the diameter of the nozzle. So this is a method in which there is no latex or there is no rubber used in the nozzle. So it is one type which I saw recently. So if I am focusing throughout the printer, I won't be able to bring out new ideas for all the components. So if I am specifically focusing on a single nozzle, I am able to bring out more new innovations.
Sir, could you have another point about how the nozzle can be able to develop the printer quality and the printer specifications?
So I think what Service said that the nozzles are the primary reason how the shape of the layers are formed. So I think this adaptive nozzle, this topic is very unique, and the one thing that is coming to my mind is that why adaptive nozzle hasn't been invented before and it's only possible now. So and the second thing is that this adaptive nozzle topic is that the layers when you shrink and enlarge the diameter of the nozzle, it can create different variation of the layers, and it will produce surface quality, good surface quality. So I want to ask Service that why hasn't this adaptive nozzle topic has been invented before? I mean, innovated before.
That's a nice one. So there are researches which are recently taken part, and there are researches which has been done in the past. So the thing is that adaptive nozzle has been implemented in FDMs and other type of printers. But in the case of ceramic, there is not yet an efficient nozzle, adaptive nozzle, which is being implemented in the process. So what we thought is, if we are able to bring up an adaptive nozzle which could control both the shape and size of the nozzle, we could bring up with the higher quality prints and prints which could be done more in a faster way. So if we think that there is a print in which there are multiple thickness of wall we need to use, and we could do it in an easier way. There is no need to change the nozzle for each print, and we need to assemble it after the print. So this adaptive nozzle will help us in automating the ceramic printing process even more automated.
Okay, let me conclude the discussion on adaptive nozzle. When comparatively to all other perspective of the products or equipment available in the additive manufacturing technology, we are in the first step. We are first focusing on the nozzle. Then we can go for the extruder. Then we can go for the belt. Then we can go for the frame structure. So if you are completely converting the individual equipment of an additive manufacturing technology and tools available in current industry, we can be able to attain the customized product and the high-end expected products from the customer side and from the manufacturer side. We can be able to impact the new industry and new industry version of additive manufacturing technology.